Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a laundry day. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I began cleaning my sheets. I always clean my sheets once a week. This was a top that I purchased from Etsy and I just love it. My husband has the one that says King 54, and since we are both 54 years old, it was just appropriate. After cleaning everything, what I end up doing a lot of times is cleaning out the washing machine and also the tub. I use this vinegar here that is specifically for cleaning out things such as the tub or the washing machine. This top that you see here is so adorable. I had to get Baby Yoda. I had to. Well, I hope that you got some motivation and enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe for more content like this. Make today awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.